emikoro yo kujaguza esande y'amaizi n'ibyo buhangwaho muri Mbarara yatandika no kutambura kwetorora mu rurembo rwa Mbarara kandi ubwa nyuma bayonja hamugera gwa Rwizo muri Katete. Omujwekerwa wa mukuru w'Ihangwe mu rurembo rwa Mbarara Catherine Helen Kamwenge niwe yayebemberamwe mu college kandi yashaba abantu okwatanisa omuhureji.
How do we do it? We protect water resources and the environment. We must plant trees to clean the air we breathe. We must protect the water resources that God gave us for free.
Abantu bariyo nibeyongera, population yiyongera kandi ubwo eri kweyongera nkibankimanyisa ngo nibijagomana bateganisa ebisharra hamwe na emigera. Ekyo nkimanyisa ki ngo mbwire butari bwa hare nkate kimwarebiro mu Mbarara City ntutunga mu buremezi omucyanda amizi gabura completely ushanga abantu nibaboroga.
For urban areas, we have about 73% of the people have access to safe water in urban areas. And in rural areas, we have about 68% of the people. That leaves about 32% of the people in rural areas without access to safe and clean water.
Omwaka ogu esande y'amaizi nejagurizibwa hamwe mwaguru kugira ngo water and environment resources for enhanced resilience and improved incomes and livelihoods nekigenderwa cyo koreka omugasho gw'amaizi omuntu nguka yihanga.
Hati river Rwizi aho tutandikire at least amizi gayongireho bwinshi. So ntwanchimanyisa ngo twagumuza muntu gena tuti river Rwizi uzakuza kushanga twarebeka ngo river Rwizi yabonera.
Ministry of Water implementinga nkabahumuza tuyamba abantu ababahemba timbe mishenyi kubihaho tukabahereza ikindi cyo kubasa gukora kikabatahizo mu makagaho. For example umukwezo kwahoire tukagabe nkoko twagabe mpunu twagabe enjoki
baza kureba emyaka nkesha twene nyuma abantu abinji bakaba takumanya Ministry of Water and Environment nekora ki bo binekora ki kumekinga sure ngo bakuma omugera gwitu nebinde byo buhangwa konkati nitureba nkora kuzo myanya egiyona nkaho tujya tukakirininga noreba ngo hare mpinduke ryo nebaho.
Esande y'amize jetanchirizo bari yanyumwe bazyo no kuragurra kwa busha kandi nihija kubaho no kutongoza project y'amize marunji omu district ya Ntungamo. Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.